Okay, I'm here at 560 Nightingale. You can see it's a slight downsloping driveway. We have a neighbor there on the lakeview side. So really level access to this home. The garage goes straight into the kitchen, which is really nice. So you got this entryway here. A lot of wood paneling here. So here's this vaulted ceiling in the great room and a really nice view of Tahoe. I don't know why that's not exposing better, but yeah, it's really pretty right now. Change the exposure so you can see the room better. Really nice view here, and since the deck is not in front of this area, you can look down, which is really cool. The next houses are way down here, so you really don't see them at all. You know, you're looking, this is all the view right here, and it is very nice. And you've got this side window here, which works really well, and the large deck with a massive lake view. Kitchen and dining area there. We'll get to that in a sec. Back at the entryway so you can get your bearings here. The master is over to the right here, with a big lake view. And there's another bed and bath on this level as well. And one of the things I really like about this home is it's got 3 lakeview suites. So the master plus 2 more and a living area with lake views. So this is a really broad lake view. There's the neighboring house. Just want to make sure you see this so you know what the feel is like here. But this view is just unreal. All across here, and then once you get this way from this angle, once you look left, it's just a beautiful forest view. So it's very nice. This island is large. It just has 3 seats at it, I guess, but the actual slab is big. And the kitchen has a nice spacious feel. It's a large pantry here. Cabinetry in there. So there's the door that I came in through. And then this is the garage door. Nice garage. Some storage. You can see they've got their heat lamps for the deck out there. And yeah, nice clean finished floor as well. So one more look at the kitchen here. And then we'll go the back way here to the master. Beautiful big view. Sorry it looks a little dark in the video, but it is a big, nice, huge picture window here. And a very large master bed. And some built-in cabinetry there. Nice sized walk-in closet. And then the setup is really good here for entertaining. That's a coat closet right there. You can see they have these wild pieces of driftwood type art. And so